Oh.
Nurture Spa Village is among the few spas here in the Philippines that offers a new range of facilities and services. An enhanced spa menu, expanded food and beverage services, more extensive garden, events pavilion, herb garden, deluxe rooms, family rooms, and a lot more. Nurture Village also embraces the environmental protection as a philosophy and strives to become an eco-friendly establishment. Is Abigail Malabanan, the corporate sales executive. So, hi ma'am.
Yes.
How long does Nurture Spa Village been operating?
It's been operating for almost 12 years already. We just started like for half an hectare before. Kalahating hektarya lang siya. Pero ngayon, nag-grow na siya hanggang 2.5 hectares na siya ngayon.
So, what are your sustainable practices here?
Yeah, that one, what do you mean by sustainable practices? Like,
For example, there all the waste or the
waste management,
Yes.
how do we conserve the well, yung like for example, yung mga towels namin, like the paper towels, nire-recycle talaga namin. We have our own recycle area at dun sa meron kaming area dito, we do our recycles. Tapos everything, even our newspapers, magazines, we also recycled it. Tapos even mga staple wires and everything na i-utilize namin, minamaximize namin na magamit. Even like for example, the coconut, from sabaw meat to the husk, nagagamit namin yan. So walang natatapon. Tapos we also practice na we're not it's a non-smoking area, so we don't allow anyone to smoke here. Tapos what else do you want to know more? Do you want to know more about nurture? So this is actually we're a spa village. Pero now we're a wellness village. Kasi the connotation of the people, yung perspective nila regarding spa po. Diba ngayon, nagkalat yung mga spa na parang there's something, mga behind the scenes. So we were turned to a nurture village now. Wellness village. Since we're promoting wellness. Yun pa, one of the practices that we do here is more on wellness kami. So, yung mga clients namin is talaga pumupunta dito para talaga pag-relax, makapag-detox, yung makaalis ng stress, you know.